TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under.
So let's see, our thoughts on day 17, aside from the kitchen being really dirty. Caramel chocolate fruits. Don't know what kind of fruits it is. It's dark. Doesn't taste like much. It says natural. Dark natural. So it's dark. I decided to head out. Oh my God, I better brush my hair. To the TjMaxx and maybe the HomeGoods real quick. I don't foresee me finding anything good, but they're it's always worth the hunt, right? This is probably the most jacked up TjMaxx that I've been to, but this is the only one in the area, so it is what I have. That was not completely unsuccessful, but I just found a few things. So I'm going to try the HomeGoods now and possibly the Ulta next door to see if there's anything worth getting for my friend and my sister-in-law, but it might be express shipping online. Can you get up here? You gonna try harder? There we go. A little lift. A little assist. Oh, but aren't you just precious? Can I have your turkey? No, you just want to cuddle? You just want to cuddle? Oh! She's like a monkey. She just likes to climb up and be all over the place. It's hysterical. Sorry, doggy butt. Maybe in the shot, baby boy. Oh, baby girl. No, I'm just precious. When she gets bigger, this will not be possible, but right now she's making it her thing. So I ended up getting some dog toys at the HomeGoods for them. So their Christmas present, I think, is pretty much done. We'll sprinkle in some of their treats from the advent calendars in them as well, but they're taken care of. I did end up finding a couple more things for my friend for her present. Didn't find anything for my sister-in-law, so that kind of bummed me out. Yeah, so kind of at a loss there, but Came home, had some coffee. Stefan's going to be going to work here in a little while. So I thought I would just sit down and do some chitty chat. Hoping to make my way up to Portland to pick up a Louis Vuitton order that I made. I have to pick it up within a couple of days. So once it gets into store, I think it actually will be in store just in time for when we pass through for Christmas Eve. So that is my plan. Otherwise, I will have Thursday off. I will go up on Thursday. So there may be some luxury footage. We do not know. That will be in the future. Day 17, it's cookies that they have way too much of. Yeah, next year for sure, I think I'm going to reuse this calendar and fill it up with our own treats and random toys and stuff, but it's way too much for just even our 2 dogs. We'll see what's in number 17. Same thing from yesterday. It's weird that they don't like space these out really well. So it was like 2 days in a row of the candy cane looking things, and it was a couple days in a row of the bone. And my dog needs variety. Day 17 is way back here in the corner. Let's see if it's anything worth opening. They're not even trying. It's like it is what it is. Pump and Gloss Hydrating Facial Mist. That sounds lovely. It's the lonely woman opening her wine by herself. Got my trusty dog here though. She's all here for it. Day 17, sweetie. What are we getting? What are we getting? Looks like a white. Looks like a white. It's a hair kitty kitty. And I think I just might drink that. What will my candy be for the evening of the 17th? It's going to be a teddy bear. Beautiful. I need me some chocolate.
The only thing I'm missing is you.